Hey Pete.
Morning, Jim.
Max mentioned that you changed your motorcycle insurance to Sceptre.
Sure did, Pete. They gave me great options, and I chose to reduce my excess to 2,000 Rand. If I have an accident, I want peace of mind that I will never pay more than 2,000 Rand.
My friends are going to a track day at the racetrack this weekend and my insurance does not cover me. I heard that your insurance does. You said it was Sceptre Insurance Brokers?
Yes, Pete, and they do cover you on track days. Email Penny or Mervyn at info@sceptreib.com to request a free quote and advise, or call on 012-658-5901.
Is that info at SCEPTREIB.com?
You've got it, Pete. Sceptre is an authorized financial service provider.